I welcome you all for this lecture series on 4G and 5G communication networks. In this lecture, that is lecture number 7, we will deeply discuss about 5G architecture. This is the fifth generation cellular 5G architecture, consists of UE, user equipment, radio access network. This we have been seeing in the previous lecture deeply. This radio access network, user plane function, UPF, DN data networks, and also the control services, or it includes AMF, access or mobility function, session management function, SMF, AUSF, and PCF. We'll see one by one. First, we'll move on to the main components we are going to look into. The first one is the user equipment. The user equipment UE refers to devices such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops that connect the 5G network. These devices enable users to access various services and applications, including high-speed internet, video streaming, and online gaming. The next component is the next generation node B, that we can call it as GNB. Small GNB means next generation node B. The next generation node B acts as 5G base station, communicating directly with the user equipment to facilitate wireless connectivity. The GNB plays a crucial role in managing radio resources, transmitting data, and controlling user equipment mobility. The next one is NG-RAN, that is Next Generation Radio Access Network. This NG-RAN serves as the radio access network and linking the GNB to the 5G core network and ensuring seamless communication. NG-RAN manages radio resources, handles data transmission, and provides connectivity between GNB and the core network. Next, we'll move on to the 5G core. This 5G core network is the central component that manages and coordinates the 5G network. It consists of various functions that work together to provide efficient network operation, resource allocation, and service delivery. And it consisting of AMF, that is access and mobility management function. And the access and mobility management function, AMF, handles essential tasks like authentication, mobility, and session management. This AMF, that is access and mobility management function, ensures secure access to the network, manages UE user equipment mobility, and control session establishment and termination. This is the main function of AMF, that is access mobility management function. Next, SMF. The session management function SMF oversees user sessions and data transfer. SMF manages session establishment, modification, and termination, ensuring efficient data delivery and network resource allocation. Next one is UPF, that is user plane function. The user plane function focuses on data forwarding and processing. The UPF handles data packet routing, forwarding, and processing, ensuring efficient data transfer between UE and the network. Next, PCF. PCF means policy control function. The policy control function enforces network policies and rules, ensuring efficient network operation and resource allocation. This is very, very important property of PCF. And the PCF manages policy decisions, controls network access, and optimizes network performances. Next, network slicing. And the network slicing is a revolutionary feature of 5G architecture, allowing multiple independent networks to coexist on the same physical infrastructure. This is the main advantages of this network slicing. This enables operators to create customized networks for specific use cases such as IoT, that Internet of Things, mission critical communications, or enhanced mobile broadband, each with its own set of characteristics and requirement. Next thing is network function virtualization, that we are calling it as NFV, network function virtualization. This NFV enables the virtualization of network function, decoupling them from dedicated hardware and allowing for greater flexibility and scalability. This means that network operators can quickly deploy and manage network services, reduce costs, and improve network efficiency. This is the main property of NFV, network function virtualization. Next, software defined networking, SDN. This SDN enables programmable and automated network control, allowing operators to dynamically manage and configure network resources in real time. This increased network agility reduces manual errors and enables faster service deployment because it is a programmable one. So it will automatically reduces the manual error. Next one is edge computing. The edge computing enables data processing and analysis at the network edge, reducing latency and improving performance. By processing data closer to the source, edge computing minimizes the need for data to travel to centralized data centers, resulting in faster response times and improved user experience. Next one is network data analytics function, that we are calling it as NWDAF, means network data analytics functions. The NWDAF provides data analytics and insights for network optimization, enabling operators to make data-driven decisions and improve network performance. By analyzing network data, operators can identify trends, detect anomalies, and optimize network resources. This is the main property of NWDAF, that is Network Data Analytic Function. Finally, security. Integrated security features such as encryption and access control ensure communication in 5G networks. One more time, I'll tell you this integrated security features such as encryption and access control ensure secure communication in 5G networks. With the increasing importance of network security, 5G architecture prioritizes robust security measures to protect user data and prevent cyber threats. So these are all the main components which we have used in the 5G. This 5G architecture enables faster, more flexible, and more scalable networks, supporting a wide range of use cases and applications. So finally, coming to the conclusion, the world needs 5G because we are running out of space on our current network. One more time, I'll tell you, the world needs 5G because we are running out of space on our current networks. With more devices and people connecting to the internet, we need a faster and more reliable way to share data. And 5G provides this by creating a super highway for information to travel on, making it possible for new technologies like self-driving cars, remote surgeries, and smartphones to become reality. This will change the way we live, work, and interact with each other, making our lives easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Hope everyone understood this 5G architecture. The remaining things we'll discuss in the future classes. Thank you.